Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Yeah, I got some news for the Numismatic Association 2023 World's Fair of Money. Couple of things, but we got Ventress Gibson participating. This is off of the usmint.gov website. But we got her issuing 4 tickets. Let's see here. Attendees will be exclusive opportunity to participate in a daily drawing. 4 ANA Director Strike silver tickets will be drawn each day, giving the ticket holder the ability to purchase one of 20 2023 piece silver dollar and circulated coins that were personally struck by Director Gibson. So you heard that right, folks. You can actually go to this World Fair of Money, and I don't know how many thousands of people are going to go. I've never actually gone to one, but if you go, you got the chance of winning 1 of 4 each day. And so if you go, how many days is it? Let me see. So it's like 4 days, August 8th to the 12th, and I'll come back there in a minute. But if you go there all 4 days, you got a chance to win. And I'm not exactly sure. You know how I posted that one video that you have to have it sealed in the box for PCGS to encapsulate the Director Strike COA? Not sure how that's going to work, but I can assume that PCGS is going to be on site grading, and maybe they'll do a favor to you by taking and encapsulate it. That's going to be a big money if they can do that. So there's potentially 20 that you can get just by showing up. So that's super cool. And I've never been to one of these World's Fair of Money shows, so I thought I would just share what I've seen on the website. So it's August 8th to the 12th. It's in Pittsburgh, PA. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania was okay. Not as like busy as Philly or what's another, New York City, that kind of thing. But let's see here. Show hours: Tuesday 1 to 6, Wednesday, Friday 10 a.m. to 6, Saturday 10 a.m. to 4. Admission's free for everybody on Saturday, so that's gonna be the last day, I guess. And admission is $10 daily or $25 for the weekly pass. If you're going to show up for more than 3 days, you might as well get the pass. And it's free for NA members and children under 12. So you might as well get an ANA membership too while you're at it. So that's what's happening in the coin show news. I did watch Blue Ridge Silverhound. Shout out Blue if you're watching this. So he's going to be doing some contests with a couple other people at the World's Fair of Money. I'm not sure what days. I would assume maybe the first day. I don't remember what he said, but check out his video if you really want to see him. Sorry, my dogs are sneezing in the background here. Lost my train of thought. So it's going to be Blue Ridge Silverhound and Renee from Storage Wars, if anybody remembers watching that in like 2010. I sure do. And then there's going to be Couch Collectible, and then there's going to be somebody from Coin Hub. Not sure who the Coin Hub person is, but they're going to be there doing some grading contests and other things. So that's cool. I've never actually met Blue in person, but I have bought 1 or 2 things from him, and he usually answers my questions on like a live stream or whatnot. So he's a pretty cool guy. But that's at least what I know for this World's Fair of Money show going on in Pittsburgh. Unfortunately, I won't be going because it's way too far for me and I have other obligations. But if you guys are free and got some money to blow, or you're over on the East Coast or whatever, hey, why not show up? Seems like it's going to be a big turnout, and then you got a chance of winning 1 of 20 2023 piece Director Strike COA, so that's cool. I mean, that's an easy $3 grand right there once you get one. So that's what I know for now. Let me know if you're going to go and if you're excited or if you ever gotten to one of these World's Fair money shows before. Tell me how big it is. I'd be interested. All right, guys, you have a good day. We'll see you. Take care.